Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Klokchi Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding human eye and colorful world. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share an important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 marks important questions. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Yes, the topic is human eye and colorful world. The human eye and colorful world are regarding with our eyes. How the eye work system will occur, which type of parts are there in eye, how many defects are there in the ecology of eye. Example for eye defects is myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. These are regarding with sight. First we will discuss about least distance and distinct vision. What is least distinct and distinct vision? Yes, when the minimum distance we can observe the object or see the object, it is known as least distance and distinct vision. We will move to next topic. What is the maximum focal length for human being? 2.5 centimeter. This question may be asking in public exam for 1 mark. The same question asked in public exam previously in 2 times. We will move to next topic. What is the minimum focal length for human being? 2.27 centimeter. This question also may be asking in public exam for 2 times for 1 mark only. We will move to next topic. How can we see the objects? How can we find out the colors? Yes, exactly, with the help of rods and cones. I will show the picture of structure of the human eye. This is the structure of human eye. This is the pupil. In front of lens, it is present the pupil, liquid-like structure. This is iris. It is a balancing of focal length. This is aqueous humor. It is chamber, and this is cornea. This is the first layer in the eye. It will protect the eye. Optic nerve. With the help of this nerve, we will observing the any view. This aqueous chamber, this liquid-like structure are present in the eye. This lens, this is the eye lens. This is retina. With the help of retina and rods and cones, we will observing the object and we will finding the object. These ciliary muscles. With the help of ciliary muscles, we are the capability of finding the focal length and changing the focal length. And next topic is, what is accommodation of eye? Accommodation of eye is nothing but the ability of changing the focal length in the eye is known as accommodation of eye. This question is maybe asking in public exam for 2 marks and explain the about accommodation of eye and defects. Next topic is, how many eye defects are there? Example for myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. I will show the picture of how myopia eye defect are there. This is the eye, and here the object imaginary lines are passing into the retina. But here the retina is not finding the imaginary lines. This is the correction of myopia. The useful biconcave lens. Here the imaginary lens are passed into the biconcave lens and the passed to the retina. When the retina will finding the object, we will observe the object. The myopia is also known as nearsightedness. We can't see near objects. So here we will conclude that myopia is the short sight. And topic is hypermetropia. I will show the picture of hypermetropia. This is the picture of hypermetropia, and here imaginary lines are passing into the retina, above the retina, and this is the biconvex lens. Here this equals to the lens, and the object will be, imaginary lines will be passed into the on the retina. So here we conclude that it is long sight. We can't see the objects very long. We will move to next topic, presbyopia. What is presbyopia? Presbyopia is nothing but the sight will appear when the age will be decreased. It is for old men and old people, senior citizens. The eye defect will appear to the senior citizens. This is caused to the old men and old women. So here the myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia are the important eye defects in this lesson. And next topic is, what is far point? Far point is nothing but the object will be present in the very long is known as far point. This is the question asking in a public exam for 2 marks, and explain the far point with the help of eye defects. The same question asked in public exam previously in 2 times. And next topic is, what is near point? The near point is nothing but the object is present very nearly to the observing is known as near point. The question is important for 2 marks in public exam. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. And the asking question about eye defects also asked in public exam for 4 times. The same question asked in public exam previously about 4 marks in 4 times. Okay, we will move to next topic. Dispersion of light. How the dispersion of light process will occur? What is dispersion of light? The dispersion of light is nothing but the splitting of white light into 7 colors. Nothing but VIBGYOR is known as dispersion of light. I will show the picture of dispersion of light. Here a prism is there. When the white light is passing through the prism, here the white light is splitting into 7 colors and VIBGYOR is forming. Violet, indigo, blue color, green color, yellow color, orange, red. Here red contain more frequency and violet color less frequency. It contain more wavelength and violet contain less wavelength. Here the violet is the very less density color. And next, scattering of light. What is scattering of light? The traveling of light in different intensity in different directions is known as scattering of light. I will show the picture of scattering of light. Here a atom like structure is present. No, here contain atom. When the sunlight is passing through the orbit to atom, the scattering of light will affect. Example for morning, the Tyndall effect occur. No, that is known as scattering of light. With the help of scattering of light, the skin is appearing blue color. When the sunset is occurring, the skin is appear orange or red color. This is happening with the help of nitrogen and oxygen molecules in the atmosphere. And next topic is, in this lesson, very important lab activity is there. This question may be asking public exam for 4 marks. This question previously asked in public exam for 4 times about prism. Take a glass slab like that, triangle structure, and it is in opaque medium, and it is a transparent medium also, and white light, paper, pen, and take a white light or any laser light and observing. When keeping on the table the prism, add the light into the prism. The light pass into the straight to incident ray. I will show a picture of prism. When the white light is passing in the prism, here the normal ray will be present. When the light ray is passing through the prism, the white light is turned into straight. It is the perpendicular line. When the reflecting outside, it is somewhat bent to the about to the normal. This is the imaginary line through the M to N. And here we will conclude that the prism also is the example for the dispersion of light. The same question asking in public exam for 4 marks. We will move to next topic. Okay. Do you know, friends, how the rainbow will formation occur? The rainbow will formation will occur in the presence of sunlight and rainwater drop. When the rainwater is coming to the land, the sunlight is reflecting to the 40 to 42 degrees. I will show a picture of how the formation of rainbow will occur. When the water drop is coming through the land, the sunlight is appearing 7 rays. Here 40 to 42 degrees. The light will reflect and the violet color, red color will be reflect. Here violet color less frequency, red color more frequency, no? So first color is red and next violet and last color is violet. Here 2 droplets for example. In one droplet for 40 degrees, in second droplet is 42 degrees. Here sunlight is appearing through the 40 to 40 degrees. The violet color is appearing. When the sunlight is reflecting 42 degrees, the violet color is the red color is producing. With the help of raindrop and the sunlight, the 7 colors, nothing but VIBGYOR will be produced. So here we will conclude that by the atmosphere pressure, the formation of rainbow will be present. Do you know, friends, what is the shape of the rainbow? Not semicircle. The complete circle is the structure of the rainbow. I hope you all understood my seminar. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat again the important questions in the lesson of human eye and colorful world. What is least distance and distinction? What is the accommodation of eye? What is far point? What is near point? What is the maximum focal length for a healthy human being? What is the minimum focal length for a healthy human being? How many eye defects are there? Explain the myopia and correction of myopia. Explain the hypermetropia and correction of hypermetropia. And this is very important for 4 marks. Correction of myopia and defect of myopia. And correction of hypermetropia and defect of myopia. Explain the formation of rainbow. Draw the structure of human eye. And explain the label parts. And next topic is what is dispersion of light? What is scattering of light? Explain the lab activity. The prism is reflecting the dispersion of light. In this lesson, very important for 8 marks and 4 marks is lab activity for prism, eye defects, myopia, correction of myopia, hypermetropia, correction of hypermetropia. These 4 questions are very important for 4 marks. The same question is asked in a public exam previously for 4 marks. I hope you all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.